here to witness the show of beautiful angels. It is said that God resides in a child in his innocence, in his naughtiness. I, as a teacher, have an opportunity to interact with these gods every day. I'm really blessed to be with them. You might have many memorable days in your life, but I can assure you, today will also be your memorable day because all your children will be appearing on stage. Each child is unique. They enjoy being in the limelight. Each day in school is a new experience for your child. These experiences help them grow in a most remarkable and an intriguing way. Do you think children at this age can confidently stand on stage with lighting, music and perform in front of this vibrant crowd? But today, our children are dare to do so. Now, I request our headmistress, Mrs. Joyita, to address the gathering.
Good morning, everybody. It's a very, very memorable day for all of us. We are waiting to see how our little ones will rock the stage. One thing is there that for all of us, when they climb up till here and stand on the stage, that's more than enough. And on top of that, if they perform, nothing like it. It will be another day for many of us because we are observing batch by batch children coming and performing. But for all of you, it's a one and only moment. So hold your breath to see them and welcome them, how they will be performing fearlessly, happily on the stage. If you want to know how your children will be in future, please book your 18th October date to come to our NDH campus to see our primary exhibition. From 1st to 8th standard children will be performing there, unstoppable, fearlessly, happily, to show you their talent. So what starts from this small stage can go up to there, and I can assure you that the date will be another memorable day for you to imagine how your child will be. So please do come 18th October in NDH campus to observe our children, your children in future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Let's ignite some thoughts today. I'll ask you a few riddles. You have to think and then answer. No one can count me. I'm visible only at night. I shine like a diamond. What am I? That's great. Now tell me which rhyme you can relate to stars. It's a famous rhyme. Wow, that's really great. Second one. I went to London to visit Queen Elizabeth. There, I frightened my friend who was sitting under a chair. Can you guess which rhyme I'm talking about? Wow, really great. I feel rhymes are melodious and gives musical sense to our budding minds. Do you know the reason why we cannot forget the rhymes that we have learned during our childhood days?
It's very memorable. You cannot forget it. Yes, it is very memorable. The teaching way of our teacher by the showing action. Yes, that's right.
Thank you. That's really great. During my school days, I used to visit someone's place with my parents. There, they used to encourage me to recite rhymes. The reason was I enjoyed rhymes and used to recite them with full of joy. Rhymes make a great avenue to bond our children with musical tune. So let's welcome our C-Band children with thunder of applause who are ready to take us to the world of rhymes. Say everyone hi! Hi! Very good. Okay, are you all ready, children? Yes. Today, our children are going to speak about teddy bear. What did the teddy bear do? 1, 2, 3, start!
ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಊಟ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೇಳಿ, 1 2 1 2 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. हमारे बच्चे बंदर के बारे में कुछ बोलेंगे. रेडी? 1 2 3 स्टार्ट. Very nice. Super. Okay. Now our children will hop, will skip, will bend, but how much they will tell you. 1 2 3 start. Very good. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಕಾರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 1 2 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. Very good. Thank you, children.
They really decided in a magical tune. Thunder of applause for these children.
CK Production, short one, action.
ಚಿಟ್ಟಿ ಮೈನೋವು ಇವ ஒரு ஆளு 100 ஆளு மாதிரி.
CK Production, short two, action.
Beenamma, don't underestimate the power of a common man.
Shahrukh Khan,
An actor or actress wouldn't have been stars without their action or acting skills. Do you know the word which makes them active? That is action. We all believe in the proverb, action speaks louder than words. A hug, a smile, a blink, a rose, all are actions. These are very expressive than words. We want our children to express, to be motivated, to concentrate whenever required. So let's welcome our CBA children. Let's welcome our DBA children with huge round of applause.
they will exhibit a few games in front of you. Games and the takshna, today they are ready to show you a recipe. Recipe how to make a popcorn. So you see it yourself. Ready, children? Ready, very good. 1, 2, 3, start. Doing, 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 doing. Doing, 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 doing. Okay, you must be all wondering. I just made a noise. Some are standing, some are sitting. So some conceits don't want to sit, I think. Conceit, Sunny conceit, look up. Very good. So these are all small conceits who are put in the vessel. Now I will keep this vessel where? I'll keep it in the microwave. Once I switch on, yenagate? You see it yourself. Enaito? See, plup, 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 plup. Hot dog. Hot popcorns are ready. Wow. So all the conceits popped up into wow corns. Very good. So we had something hot. Now let's have something cold. So take your positions. Ice cream. You know it was a very hot day. I decided to have something very nice. Ice cream. So I removed the ice cream tray from the freezer. I kept it on the table. I had an emergency to attend. You know what happened once I got back? I saw on the table the ice creams. See it yourself. Tap, 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 tap. One ice cream will never melt. Yes. Oh, all the ice cream had melted except for one. I think that was a chocolate, not an ice cream. Yes. So I kept back the ice creams in the freezer once again. You know what happened inside the freezer? See it yourself. Dub, 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 dub. Yes. I got back all the ice creams that I wanted. So many flavors. Butterscotch, pista, chocolate, strawberry, chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Thank you, children. Oh, here the strawberry cake. Okay, thank you. Okay, all of you are ready to play the statue game? Yes. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Salute statues. Salute. In Matira, salute. Wow, super. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Flying statues. Flying. Wow, very nice. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Drinking statue. Wow, very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Sitting statues. This is a statue which is just like a statue. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Sleeping statues. Sleeping statues. Wow, very good. Give them a big round of applause. Now, our children will exhibit a few facial expressions. Yes, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, I want to see your happy faces. Show me when you're happy. We love to see them like this always. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, show me your sad face. You don't like to see them like this. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Now, show me your angry faces. Kopa Matkoli. Imparate Kopa. Oh. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your surprised face. Wow, that's very nice. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now show me your scared face. Scared. yeah. And they are never scared. This is just a form of expression. That's all. See, they are not scared. They will never show this expression. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now children, show me your dirty face. Very good. Again. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now show me your proud face. Proud. Very good. Yes, again. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now show me your shy face. Shy. एक मैच करते रहा तो एक कला. Yes, thank you.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन बच्चों के लिए. Once, wife said to her husband, "I want you only to be my husband the next life too." Husband very happily asked why. Wife said, "Then what? Efforts taken to change you in this life shouldn't go wasted." Now, the next group is coming to express the things through their body language to create the illusion of reality and simplicity of movement and thought. So let's welcome our CBAT children with thunder of applause.
Yes. Now again, they are also here to exhibit a few games. Now you must be wondering what are they all doing? Bending their heads, some are lifting and just searching for their parents. Yes, they are all watching you. Okay. Now they are all the small sown seeds in Chitrakuta, and once Rihanna ma'am will come and water them, you will see the magic what will happen. Rihanna ma'am? Yes. She will water and you will see how they nurture. You will see the magic yourself. Yes. Dub dub, 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 dub. So they are all the sown seeds which have grown into big trees in Chitrakuta. Very good. Give them a big round of applause. So all these trees, they give what? You give flowers. Then what you give? Fruits. Then what you give? Vegetables. Then fresh air. My God, what environmentalist. Thank you, children. So now we pluck some few fruits from these trees and they will prepare a cocktail. Ready, children? Take your place for the juice. Where you go stand? All of you, get back. Thank you. Purvi, go back. Yes. Now, no touching. Very good. Yes. Okay, that's okay. Now I will call out the fruits. You will come? Yes. Because we had advised them not to touch them. It will get spoiled. That's why they are telling me today also. Very good. Thank you, children. Yes, the first fruit which is going to come is the orange. Twink, 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 twink. The next fruit which is going to come is the grapes. Twink, 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 twink. Very good. The next fruit which is going to come is the apple. Twink, twink, twink. Very good. The next fruit which is going to come is the banana. Twink, twink, twink. Very good. The next fruit which is going to come is the mango. Twink, twink, twink. Are we left out with some fruits? Yes. Come. Thank you. Yes. There's another fruit there. Come. Pranav, come from. Twink, twink, twink. Very good. So, you must be wondering what did these fruits do? They all jumped into the mixie jar. Now, once I switch on the mixie, banana. What is ready? Juice is Elsa taste. Engitho? Super! Very good. Thank you, children. Now, again, they will also show you a different kinds of statue. Ready? Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, all of you, namaste statues. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, all of you, dancing statues. Dancing. Wow, very nice poses. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Eating statues. Eating. Very good. Super. They'll show it at least in statue if they don't eat actually. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Thinking statues. Thinking. How will you think? Yoshna Madi ellaru. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Sleeping statues. Sleeping. Wow. Very good. Now again the same facial expressions with different faces. You will see. Yes. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now I want to see your happy faces. Show your parents your happy faces, which you are always happy. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Children, now show me your sad face. Sad. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your angry face. Go by Super. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your surprised face. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your scared face. Scared, scared. They will never show this expression because they are never scared of it. Very good. Oh, no shake pronoun. Yes. Again, walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your dirty face. Dirty face. Very good. Yes. Again, walk, walk, walk. Now, children, show me your proud face. Show me your proud face. Aryan, show me your proud face now. Enough of jogging. Yes. Wow. Very good. Again, walk, walk, walk. Last but not the least, show me your shy face. How will you? Very good. Thank you. Thank you, children.
Wow, it was really a tragic game.
Stand in the line. Stand in a straight line. Okay, you have to tell them hi first. Then
Now, let me introduce these kiddos for you. Maharaj, Puri, Akash, Keval, Priya, Rita, Manasvi, Arya, Aryan, Pranav, Shreyas. Once, a professor called to Lumber and asked to come to college. Lumber asked, "Why, sir, what is the problem?" Professor said, "I want to know from where the question paper is leaking." Next, a fleet of koels are coming on stage and with their mellifluent voice, they are taking us to the rhyme word. So let's welcome our T-Batch koels on stage with thunder of applause.
Yes. Yes, very good. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಗಣೇಶನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕೇಳೋಣ. 1, 2, 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಗಣೇಶನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾವು they will tell about the yellow sun. Ready? 1, 2, 3 start. Very good, super. Next, our children played in the rain. Ali, बारिश कैसे आया वो बोलेंगे पानी बरसा. Okay? 1, 2, 3 start. Okay, sorry. They will tell something about the Hathi Raja. They finished the rain. Now they will tell something about the Hathi Raja. Okay? 1, 2, 3 start. Super, very good. Now there are so many bits of paper fallen down. Our children will sing a rhyme and clean up the place. Ready, children? 1, 2, 3 start. Big Very good. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ಒಂದು ಕುರಿ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ತಪ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಂತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. 1, 2, 3 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತುವುರಿ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ down. Very good. Thank you, children. Now all of you stand in a straight line. Yes. Yes. Anil Sumegana.
Wow, it was really great. They deserve a huge round of applause. Now let me introduce these angels to you. Gautam, Daksh, Mayur, Samiksha, Samrud, Sanvi, Meghana, Satvik, Vaishnav. Thank you. A child's life is not only about studies, but also cultural activities like dance, music, rhymes, games, and many other things. Don't you think so? I would like to thank, it's my pleasure, and to thank our theatre mentor, Mrs. Brunda, who was very good with our children during theatre and helped them to learn so much. Now, I request Mrs. Brunda to
Good morning. Can you be a little louder?
Good morning.
Yeah, thank you. Yes. Now you saw your children performing. Everyone were happy, right? You are happy seeing them performing, they are happy performing to you. Just tell me why children are very happy always. Anyone? No? No tensions. Yeah, they're free of tensions. Just because they don't have a file in their hard disk telling that things can go wrong. There were children who were just searching for their parents today here on the stage. Some children were very happy to see their parents and they were performing in front of them, and some were just stunned, just standing there. But we love seeing our children performing. Yes, it takes a lot of courage to get onto the stage and talk. Yes. So each child is like a beautiful, colorful butterfly in a garden. Some can fly at great heights, some just fly, and some just flap their wings. But here, height is not important. The attempt to go on the stage. You saw so many children guiding the other children. So some took initiative, some were just standing, some were just searching for their parents. So it is all just a learning experience, and theatre aims in getting those experiences. So each child is unique, and theatre gives an opportunity for each child to explore their uniqueness. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our principal, Mr. Chaitanya, our headmistress, Mrs. Joyita, our Mrs. Mala, and our M1 teachers, Mrs. Babita, Mrs. Jaya, Mrs. Rihanna, and Mrs. Chaitra to put up this show. I had a lot of fun working with these M1 children. There were instances when children used to just tell, I will not get onto the stage. Papa, Amma, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರಾ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕರ್ತನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ. They had all that, and you saw one guy telling me, ma'am ಮುಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. That because we had told them, if you touch that, ಅದು ಕಿತ್ತೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಿತ್ತೋದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಶೋಗೆ. So they were see, this shows a part of learning. So thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Krunda. From the beginning of the program, we enjoyed a lot and felt proud watching our children showcasing their talents, isn't it? Yes. This wouldn't have happened if they had not got this platform. So I would like to thank our principal, Mr. Chaitanya, and our headmistress, Mrs. Joyita, for giving our children such a wonderful platform to showcase their talents. And lastly, I thank all the parents